The DONGTAI reducer has successfully completed the packing and will be sent to Thailand soon, injecting strong impetus into the local industrial development. The reducer products sent to Thailand this time can be widely used in building materials, mining, logistics, food processing, and other fields. Each piece of equipment has undergone strict quality testing to ensure stable performance, durability, and efficiency, and meet the high standard needs of Thai customers for precision transmission equipment. With the advantages of energy saving, environmental protection, low noise, and long life, DONGTAI reducer provides better industrial solutions for Thai partners. In the future, DONGTAI will continue to deepen technological innovation, serve the global market with smarter and more efficient products, work together with overseas customers for a win-win situation, and promote the upgrading of industrial automation.